How to send disappearing messages on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to send disappearing messages on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To send disappearing messages on Signal, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now open the app and go to the set where you want the message to disappear automatically. Tap on the person names or group name at the top to open chat settings. Look for disappearing messages and tap on it. You will see a time slider set how long you want to send message to stay visible for, from 30 seconds to 1 week. Once set, go back to chat and send a message. It will now automatically delete itself from both devices after the chosen time. You will see a smaller time icon next to message showing it's safe to disappear. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos on the channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna send disappearing message on Signal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.